Dear students, today we will come on understanding quadrilaters of exercise number 3.3. Exercise 3.3. So we will solve some questions and then you will be able to solve the remaining questions. Now first question is this: given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement doing with the definition or property used. Along with the definition or property used. Now we will read again. Given a parallelogram ABCD, हमें एक parallelogram दिया हुआ है. Complete each statement along with the definition. हमें हर स्टेटमेंट को डेफिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग और प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंग प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके हमें इसे फिल करना है, कंप्लीट करना है. We know that AD is equal to BC because these are opposite sides of a parallelogram. Using the property, then we will write AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Now, angle DCB, this angle DCB is equal to angle DCB is equal to BAD. Angle BAD. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now third, OC is equal to OA because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. OC is equal to OA, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Now angle DAB plus angle CDA is equal to angle A plus angle D, A and angle D. Sum of both will be equal to 180 degree because the sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180. Sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. तो इसमें जो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था वो सॉल्व हो गया. अब हम सेकंड क्वेश्चन का एक पार्ट लेते हैं, बाकी अदर पार्ट आप करेंगे. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, now consider the following parallelogram. Question number second, consider the following parallelograms. The following parallelograms. Find the value of unknown x, y, z. Find the value of unknown x comma y and z, x comma y and z. Now we will take the question number part number second of this second question. Now figure is this: a parallelogram is given. It is a parallelogram and this angle is 50 degree, this angle y, and this is x and this is z. Now we will find the value of x, y, z. We know that it is a parallelogram because we have to given. हमें ये दिया हुआ है कि ये एक फिगर जो है वो पैरेललोग्राम है. Therefore sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 using the property. Therefore angle x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. X, it is a parallelogram. Therefore x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree is equal to 130 degree. We have to find the value of x. So value of x, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So x angle will be equal to the y. Therefore y is equal to x. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Then we will find that y will also be equal to 130 degree. So angle y will be equal to, y is equal to 130 degree. Now this angle and this angle, because these lines are parallel, we can name the sides like that: A, B, C, D. Now we can write AD parallel to BC, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Then we can say that angle Z is equal to x, because x is equal to 130 degree, then Z is equal to 130 degree, and these are the corresponding angles. Now second question, each part, if you have any problem, then you can ask any question, any part of this question second. Now I come on question number 3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if Third question is this. Third question. Question number 3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD, can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if number 1 angle D plus angle B is equal to 180. Angle, we have to draw a parallelogram here to see. हम देखने के लिए एक पैरेललोग्राम ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. ये हमारा एक पैरेललोग्राम, सपोज ABCD इज ए पैरेललोग्राम. Then angle B plus angle D is not equal to 180 because these are opposite angles. But the property is this, that at sum of adjacent angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 or angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Therefore, it is not a parallelogram. ABCD is not a parallelogram because angle B and angle D are opposite angles. Therefore, now second question part इसका second part हम देखेंगे. AB is equal to DC is equal to 8. This AB is equal to DC is equal to 8. Both sides are 8 centimeter and BC is equal to 4 centimeter. AD is equal to 4 centimeter. AD is equal to 4 centimeter and BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. If it is a parallelogram, then the opposite sides must be equal. If ABCD is a parallelogram, then the opposite sides must be equal. Hence, AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter, but AD is not equal to BC. Now second part. In the second part, it is not a parallelogram. It is not a parallelogram because AD is not equal to BC, because opposite sides of a parallelogram must be equal. So now third part of this question, angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle C is equal to 65 degree. Angle C is equal to 65 degree. Angle A is equal to 70 degree. This is 70 degree and this is 65 degree. How is it possible? If ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite angles must be equal. Therefore, ABCD is not a parallelogram because opposite angles of a parallelogram must be equal. So now we have to come question number 4. Draw a rough figure of quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measures. तो ये रफ फिगर हमें ड्रॉ करनी है एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल की, दैट इज नॉट ए पैरेललोग्राम, जो पैरेललोग्राम ना हो बट हैज एग्जैक्टली टू अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ इक्वल मेजर्स। टू एंगल्स अपोजिट एंगल्स उनको इक्वल बना देना है। तो ये हमें ड्रॉ करके देखना है, ये आप ड्रॉ कर लेंगे। नाउ पार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पर हम आ जाते हैं। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज दिस, the measure of two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio, let the measure of two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles. Find the measure of each of the angles, two adjacent angles. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram Now solution, इसमें हमें टू एडजेसेंट साइड्स का एंगल्स का रेशियो दिया हुआ है। लेट एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू 3x एंड एंगल बी, बोथ आर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स, इज इक्वल टू 3x। देन angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree। एंगल A के प्लेस पर हम लिखेंगे 3x, एंगल B is equal to 2x, that is equal to 180 degree। 5x is equal to 180 degree और x is equal to 180 degree upon 5, that is equal to 5 3 जा 15, 3 5 6 जा 30 degree, 36 degree। Now angle A is equal to 3x, so we have to find out the angle A is equal to 3x। angle A is equal to 3x, 3 into x 36 degree। Now 108 degree। Angle A is equal to 108 degree। Angle B is equal to 2x, 2 multiply 36 degree is equal to 72 degree। Now angle C is equal to, angle C is opposite angle of B। Now we have to draw the figure of a parallelogram ABCD। angle A is equal to angle C। Now angle C is equal to angle A, opposite angles of a parallelogram, hence angle C is equal to A, angle A is equal to 108 degree। Now angle D is equal to angle B, same property, these opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, then that is equal to 72 degree। Angle D is equal to 72 degree। We have to find all the angles of the parallelogram। Now द 7 क्वेश्चन है आपका एडजेसेंट फिगर होप इज ए पैरेललोग्राम, फाइंड द एंगल मेजर एक्स वाई जेड, स्टेट द प्रॉपर्टीज. नाउ वी हैव डन सच टाइप ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. So question number 7. Question number 7, the adjacent figure hope is a parallelogram, find the angle measure x, y and z. State the properties you use. State the properties you use to find them. नाउ फिगर्स, पैरेललोग्राम की फिगर आपको ये दी हुई है. ये एक हमारा पैरेललोग्राम है. It is a parallelogram. This angle is equal to 70 degree. This angle we have to join the diagonal. This is y, p e h o, hope. 70 degree, this is 40 degree, and this angle is z, and this is x. We know that angle 70 and this angle, we have to let this is angle 1. Both are linear pairs. So sum of both angle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 110 degree. We have find this angle x to also equal because opposite angles are equal. Now angle y is equal to line this side HE parallel to OP. Then angle y is equal to angle 40 degree because these are alternate interior angles. So now we will find two angles of this triangle, this one and z, y also, then z will be find out. Now solution, we will take the solution. Angle 1 plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair angles. Now angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 110 degree. Now angle x is equal to angle 1. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore x is equal to angle 1 and that is equal to 110 degree. So we have find the angle x. Now we will find angle y. Angle y, because HE parallel to OP, HE parallel to OP, then angle y is equal to 40 degree. Alternate interior angles. Interior angles. These are alternate interior angles. So y is equal to 40 degree. Now we will find that angle z, angle x plus 40 plus z, these angle, this angle and this angle, both are adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Therefore angle x plus angle 40 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. These are adjacent angles. Sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus 40 degree, in place of x, that is equal to 100, we have to find out 110 degree plus 40 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. Angle z is equal to 110 degree minus 150 degree is equal to 30 degree. Now we will come on question number, part number 3rd of 8th question. We can find out second part and third part also. Now we will come on second part of this question. Second part is this of 7th, 8th question. A parallelogram whose sides S and U G, G, U and S, guns, is a parallelogram. GU is equal to 3y minus 1, it is equal to 26, 3x and this is 18. Now we will find the value of x and y. GUNS is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. These are opposite sides, so these are equal. Now 3y is equal to 27 and y is equal to 27 upon 3 is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 centimeter or unit. If it is in unit, then it is 9 unit. Now we can write here GU is equal to SN, opposite sides of a parallelogram. And now we will write GS is equal to NU, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram, then GS is equal to 3x and it is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 3 is equal to 6 unit. Then in this way we can find out any questions of such type. Then we come on third part of this question. Now third part is It is a parallelogram. RUNS, runs is a parallelogram. These are the diagonals and they intersect each other. Suppose O, and this is 16. This is x plus y, and this is 20, and this is y plus 7. We know that diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. Push part number 3. Diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other. Therefore, y we can write OU is equal to OS. OU is equal to OS. Hence, y plus 7 is equal to 20, and y is equal to 20 minus 7 is equal to 13 unit. 13 unit. Now, x plus y or ON is equal to OR. So, ON is equal to x plus y. OR is equal to 16. Then x plus y is 13. X plus 13 is equal to 16. Hence, x equal to 16 minus 13 is equal to 3 unit. So, we have find now. We come on next question 9. 9 is figure of 9 question. 9th question. Question number 9. It is a trapezium. It is a trapezium. In above figure, RISK, CLU, E, Q is are parallelograms. RLUK. It is a trapezium, but we have to draw. It will become parallel to this line, parallel to KR. It is IS. So KRIS or RISK risk will become a parallelogram. Now we have to draw the parallel line. A parallel line. Parallel line. We have draw a parallel line. Parallel line EC, which is parallel to UL. So there are two parallelograms in this figure. Now find the value of x. हमें k की वैल्यू दे रखी है 120 डिग्री. This is 70 degree. Now we will find the value of and in this figure we have to find that this is 70 degree. CLUE is a parallelogram. So angle E is equal to 70 degree. Opposite angle of a parallelogram. So this angle is equal to 70 degree. it is 70 degree. Now in parallelogram RISK, in parallelogram RISK, angle K plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. इन दोनों एंगल का जो सम होगा, एंगल K और एंगल S का, इन दोनों का सम जो होगा वो 180 डिग्री होगा, क्योंकि एडजेसेंट एंगल के सम, एंगल्स का सम 180 होता है पैरेललोग्राम का. तो एंगल K इज 120 डिग्री प्लस एंगल S इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. एंगल S इज इक्वल टू 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Angle S is equal to 60 degree. Now angle S is equal to 60 degree. So we can write here 60 degree. Now we take point O here in triangle OES. We know two angles, then third angle we can find out. Now in triangle OES, angle X plus angle E plus angle S is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Angle sum property. Sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Now angle X plus angle E 70 degree plus S 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. X plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then X is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. Value of X is equal to 50 degree. So students, I hope that you will solve the such type of the sums of exercise number 3.4. There are 2 or 3 more questions are left. So I hope that you can do these questions very carefully. And if you have any problem, then you can ask me on WhatsApp on writing the question. Then in next period we will start last exercise of this chapter. Then thank you all of you and all the best.